In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to a PDF, or in other words, how to password protect a PDF file. Protecting a PDF with a password is a really useful way to keep sensitive information private. Whether it's a contract, a report, or personal documents you're sharing with someone, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to lock your file so that only people with the password can open it. First, start by opening your web browser and searching for How to Add Password to PDF. How to Password Protect a PDF File. This kind of search will bring up a variety of tools and services that are designed specifically for securing PDF documents. You'll usually see a mix of online tools and software you can download. For most people, an online PDF password tool is the quickest and easiest option. Once you've chosen a tool you're comfortable with, go ahead and open it. On the main page, you'll typically see a button that says something like Upload PDF, Choose File, or Select PDF. Click that button, then navigate to the PDF file on your computer that you want to protect. Select your file and confirm so it begins uploading. Depending on the size of your PDF and your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. After the file has uploaded, the tool will usually present a section where you can set your password. This is the most important part. Type in the password you want to use, and then type it again to confirm. Make sure you choose something strong enough that other people won't easily guess it, but still memorable enough for you to recall later. Avoid using obvious things like simple number sequences or easily guessed personal details. Some tools might show additional options, like choosing between an open password, which is required to open the document at all, and a permission password, which controls printing or editing. For a basic level of protection, the open password is usually all you need. When you're happy with your password, look for a button that says Encrypt, Protect, Secure PDF, or something similar. Click that, and the tool will process your file and apply the password protection. Again, this can take a moment. Once it's done, you'll be offered a download link or a download PDF button. Click that to save your newly protected PDF back to your computer. Before you send it to anyone, it's a good idea to open the file yourself and confirm that it now prompts you for a password. And that's it. You've successfully added a password to your PDF and secured your document.